The Keuka College women's volleyball team earned a share of the NEAC regular season championship and posted its third straight 20-win season in 2013. While 8 seniors graduated, there is depth at every position entering the 2014 season, and this year's team is confident that they can continue the program's winning ways.
We had a great recruiting class, so our freshmen are really going to contribute, and there's a bunch of them. We have great leadership coming from our returners. So I think the combination of that with maybe a solid recruiting class last year as well, I think we're very deep. We're probably deeper than we've ever been here at Keuka. Before I got here would be my guess.
I'm really excited for this year. We have a great group of girls who have brought a lot of energy into this season, the start of the season, and I'm really excited to see what's going to happen. Looking for not just one leader, but the team to be everyone's leader, and to rely on everyone, not just one person, not just one play, but we're going to win as a team and we're going to lose as a team.
I think we have potential to be just like the ladies before. Everyone's strong in their own way, like I said, and we all contribute something awesome individually, and it's going to be a great year. And honestly, I think we're going to do great without the seniors. They were good, but I think we could be better.
I think if we set a goal anything less than winning the conference tournament, then I think we're selling ourselves short. So our goal is to win the conference tournament. I don't think it's an empty goal. I think it's a legitimate goal.